in acquisitions, we, like at an agency or law firm, we do not accept unsolicited material. I would say the best thing would be, focus on trying to get the representation. And that's what I always recommend to writers. Try that first. The absolute worst thing that will kill a movie faster than anything is saying an actor is attached and then they're not. I mean, it will. Don't even. I can get all. Don't even mention an actor's name as being attached, and if they're not, because you lose every bit of credibility. And I will remember that, and every one of my colleagues will remember that the next time. We're just looking out for our bosses, and it's like if we really like something and we tell them that, and ourselves, and we tell them that somebody's attached and they're not, we look bad. We lose our credibility.